Does it drive you crazy when the towel always falls down on the deck chair when you're on a cruise? Or even here in my backyard, right? We have this great Adirondack chair and you want to come out here and sit, but it's southern Florida, so you need a towel to keep you from burning your backside here, right? But, you know, this is a nice slippy slidey material, right? Just like most deck chairs are, and you want your towel to stay in place. Here's the answer, a miraculous answer, simple answer, but miraculous answer, towel bands. Let me show you how to use them. So you take your beautiful slippy slidey towel, put it on your slippy slidey chair, take your miraculously color matching towel band, simply stretch it out, put it on there like that, cruise on into your chair, and it is secure. Simple answer, but you need to get the towel band if you want the answer. Also great in windy conditions, right? You're going on a cruise. We've all been on those cruises and the deck's blowing. There's no way your towel's staying on those chairs. This will obviously completely resolve that situation. It comes in a pack of 4, which is really cool. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.